Okay, at a friend's house, and she's made salmon teriyaki. And look at this! Avocado salad.
Lovely.
This woman knows how to lay on a spread. Look at all the food. And this is just for the three of us. And look, the dinner table's set too. Okay, so what is this then?
Egg fried rice.
Egg fried rice. I'm using my good color. They're laughing at me because I'm taking a video. Right, let's take that.
My life in pictures.
And then got the broccoli.
I might just put my bowl there.
On my plate, we've got teriyaki salmon, avocado, and some, what's the name of the cheese that you put in there? Feta cheese salad, some mushrooms, broccoli, and egg fried rice. Right, for the eating.
What?
Very nice, thank you.
Oh, tomatoes.
You want a little piece of bubble?
Hey, what is that?
Huh? You want a little piece of bubble? Yeah. Okay, close your eyes.
If I didn't need to talk, it'd be alright actually. I could make videos like this all the time, but because you feel you've got to talk to the camera, I find that actually more discomforting. So if I could just make videos of just me eating
In silence.
in silence would be better.
And then do it in black and white.
And then maybe I should start going,
And every now and again you put something in your mouth, just make contact with the camera.
Got it.
like this. Where's the camera?
Open it. No.
Like that.
Open your mouth. Oh, I know what it is though. What? It's the minty flavoured thing. No, what is it?
The salmon's really lovely.
Is it cooked
And it's,
well?
and it's got quite succulent from inside still.
Dad, got half
Because I didn't overcook it on the stove. I just wanted that brown and then leave it to do its thing in the oven.
Close it. Okay, I'll tell you when to open. Close it.
But I'm liking the salad
I haven't put it in.
With the
with a
dressing,
mango dressing on top.
Take it.
That to me is
it has to be good for you, everything in there.